Hey guys, what's up? It's Kayli, and today we are back in Roblox, and this is a natural disaster. I don't even know. I played this before, like a long time ago, so I don't know what this is about. And the weather up there looks kind of like an issue, so I think it's probably a blizzard or something. Yeah, acid rain. It's fine. I'm even just gonna stay here. No, I'm gonna stay here. Why? Because it may get a little, like, the acid rain may go up on the top, and the top layer may get destroyed first. So, I think it's a good idea just to kind of stay in this little place. Oh my gosh. No. Hold on, holy moly. Yo. No. My health is still pretty high, so I'm good. All parts are rotting or something. I don't know. So I'm just gonna stay here, like stay on this little kind of whatever barn door or something. But is this still a piece of roof on the top? Oh my gosh. No. I'm staying here. Holy cheese. There's a lot of acid rain. Okay, yeah, I survived. I'm good to go. You know what? I'm gonna restart because I barely have any life. Like I only have like yellow life. So I'm gonna restart. You know what? That's just that. Can't change anything. Oh, let me see what this. Just 80 Robux. Oh my gosh, that's expensive. No. Nuh-uh. Okay, I don't know. Maybe we should go upstairs. Yeah, because that's what I think this is a new map because I've never played this map before. I don't think so. Oh my gosh. Holy cheeses. I'm totally gonna die. Yeah, this is quite a risky, on the top if there's an yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, this dude is pushing me down. Yo, what's wrong with you? Huh? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? That's what you get for pushing people down. Can't you just chill out? Leave us alone. I'm gonna stay in the center room. Oh my gosh, that is some Loxley wave. Okay, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm just gonna stay here. No. I am okay. Are you kidding me? What? I am okay. I literally just slided off that thing, and I am okay. That is just very good. Yeah, my life is literally just an incy-wincy little dot. Oh, that's just a fact. I don't really need the later kind of in the way. So what is this dude doing? Okay, yeah, I see he's a little stuck. Uh-huh. A close call award. Oh, okay. So for a little health, you get a close call award. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just going to pop upstairs. I don't know if I could survive this. No. Oh no. I can't go. I can't, like, I feel like I got a feeling that it may or may not be. It's no. It's an enemy. Hold on, what's happening? What is happening? Girl, don't you dare push me, okay? Because, best friends are supposed to help each other, not push each other, okay? Got a feeling it's acid rain, though. Oops. I'm just gonna go upstairs. So, I could get some shelter. You're clay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I just died. I thought jumping off was a very smart idea. And then he just died. That's just not good. I gotta learn my lessons, even though I barely do. But guys, check out my new outfit. It's already pretty late, but see this new outfit? So cool. Like, don't you guys think? Like, it's a crop, not a crop top. It's a, no, I don't, can't speak today. Oh my. Okay, I was just about to do something. Okay. If I fail, this may be a little bit. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, no. No, that's not what I was supposed to do. 1, no. I was supposed to go off the edge and then quickly come back. That's what I was supposed to do. Turned out that didn't happen today. Which is sad. A bunch of people survived. Oh. Okay, yeah, that girl died, kinda. Ish, I guess, What's this? Nana, later. I don't even know what this is. Need a lift? Pick up your green owned balloon. Just 80 Robux. Nana. Nana. No. I don't even know what this is about. Don't even. Is this some sort of prisoner? Because I remember this map, I think. And I've seen a whole bunch of people play it like, I don't know. Holy shit. What is it? Okay, I got a kind of weird, ishy feeling that this may turn out to be some disaster. And then it may turn out to be an earthquake. And then we're just chilling up here. I'm following this girl. Yo, my goodness. Going to just kind of stay right here. Because I can't even do move. So glitchy. Stay away from that hole. I mean, you kind of want to go down that hole. But, where did I come up? I'm going to go down. There I came up, I'm coming down. That girl had a balloon, and she just kind of left me. I think it's gonna collapse right now. Don't move. You see those little cracks? That's a sign. Okay. Did I survive? or not? Yes, I'm amazing. Okay, I think we should end the video right here, right now. We can see you tomorrow at, I don't know when, but we can see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.